Hello, I'm Daniele Campetella, Global Sales Director at Cefla Finishing. Greetings from Hannover, the heart of the woodworking industry this week. We are proud to showcase about 800 square meters of cutting-edge technologies. Our presence here isn't just big, it is bold. Built on a strong legacy, we are once again making a solid and loud statement about our leadership in the market. For the past 60 years, we have brought new technologies and patented innovation to the finishing industry. Today, Cefla Finishing offers the most extensive range of solutions on the market and holds hundreds of patents. This year, we have aligned innovation with the core values that guide us. Values like sustainability, flexibility, and productivity. These are just a few examples of the principles that drive our product development. They are also top priorities for our customers, and we have responded with a new generation of technologies. Let's take a look at the key innovations we are introducing this year. When it comes to simplicity, we have introduced Teammate. It is a true game changer for operators programming spraying robots. No coding skills are required, just a handheld push-button tool that makes setup faster, easier, and more accessible for everyone. To meet the growing demand for sustainability, we developed UV Eye Cure. This is the most sustainable curing technology ever created. A mercury-free oven that fully complies with the upcoming environmental regulations without compromising performance. For customers seeking consistency, high-quality results, even on challenging surfaces, we have taken Smart Coater Pro a step further. Now equipped with a soft application roller, it is ideal for panel with shallow grooves, delivering uniform coating and top-level precision. And what about all those requests for one-off pieces or customer decorations? That's where reactivity becomes essential. With our expertise, we help you integrate a multi-pass digital printer into a finishing line seamlessly. J-Print MP gives you incredible flexibility. You are free to choose your inks and can print on virtually any flat substrate. Perfect for short runs, personalized jobs, and quick design changes. When productivity is your goal, Smart Edge Agile makes the difference. It handles any variety of edges and automatically adjusts to the next panel thickness. No need for manual settings. That means no interruptions, no delays, and a smooth, continuous production flow. Another important innovation is our Easy FCS. It's something that brings flexibility to your production. A system that reduces color changeover time from 3 minutes to just 30 seconds. That's an extra hour of uptime per shift, giving you the agility to respond to changing demands without sacrificing efficiency. When accuracy is not negotiable, our Duspol brand delivers. Specializing in wrapping and lamination technologies for profiles and flat panels, Duspol systems are built for energy efficiency, waste reduction, and unmatched precision. With advanced automation and smart controls, they combine high productivity with exceptional accuracy, helping manufacturers to do more with less. We are confident we can work with you to reach your real goals by tailoring solutions that bring value to your business and your products. We aim to be a trusted partner, someone who listens, adapts, and stays by your side to deliver the right solution, the next innovation, and the service you need. Get in touch. You are welcome to visit Finishing Lab in Italy, the largest in the world, and test these technologies for yourself.